Guess where we're going? Shh, don't tell nobody. The Hershey RV Show.
What's happening, captains?
Oh, you got it, Captain.
We're on our way to Hershey Park. I have been off the map for a while. I've been going through my life transitions. I had 2 hand surgeries. Then I had a circular saw accident. And then after the circular saw accident, I ended up straining a muscle in one of my arms. So I've been off the map for a while. So what's happening, captains? I'm back, and we're heading to the 2024 Hershey Show. And I'm gonna buy a bunch of stuff. We're gonna do some upgrades to Bliss. We're looking to put in a new AC heat pump unit. Also looking to upgrade with some 12-volt smart 32-inch TVs. And we're also going to purchase a max air fan. We're getting ready for the fall and winter camping.
So we're going to the Hershey RV Show on the last day, Sunday, right? It's Sunday. Today is Sunday. Sunday, September 15th. And we're attending the last day of the Hershey Show, really just to look at the vendors of accessories and things like that. We're trying to upgrade Bliss. Our intention is to upgrade Bliss.
I'm buying a bunch of stuff.
Okay. That's it. Spit it out.
Yeah, spit it out.
Driving through some of these Amish areas really does hone in on my RV gardener senses.
We decided we needed to get something to eat before we get to the RV show. Because we're on a mission, y'all. We're on a mission.
What's happening, Cap? How y'all doing?
So we're in these Pennsylvania streets, y'all. And we're about to have a bite to eat at 83 Diner. Jeez, look at the front of this menu. If I eat this, I'll be asleep before we get to the Hershey Show. Look at that.
RV garden is out the garden.
The RV gardener
It's out the garden.
is out the garden.
Again.
I've been holding it down. The RV gardener has been holding Bliss down.
Keeping content creative.
The RV gardener has been keeping content creative. Say that again.
Has been keeping content creative. We're back on the road again.
So I wanted to say, I have a brand new GoPro. I've had it now for about 8 months, and it might still be in the box, but I know I could bring a better quality video if I use it. I'm gonna have to just hit that learning curve and figure it out. So hey, we couldn't roll up to the Hershey RV Show hungry. Right, sweetie?
Yeah, food is too expensive at the Hershey Show.
Well, we're almost there.
So we're
Come
here.
on your side, babe. Go close.
Captain,
What's happening?
you got your wallet? Here we go. Those infamous steps. We're gonna get our steps in today, that's for sure. The captain is on a mission. First of all, we got here, we're purchasing our tickets here, and they said, has to be cash. So here we are.
$4 charge.
All right, so we're here. Just walked in. Just doing a quick spin. There you go. So I found a little bench right here to cop a squat. The captain's already started. He's collecting bags. He's on a mission. He said this is what he's looking for right here. So we'll come back a little bit later. And then we stopped and talked to these two fun and enterprising young people
Matt and Andrea of Matt's RV Reviews. We didn't stay very long at the RV show, but we did stop by General RV to take a look at Thor, the Delanos, which are C-classes, and there are 4 models. And I believe they are all built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. This is the 24XL, which is a step up from our Gemini 24KB and very similar. There is a bunk over the driver's seat. There's one slide in the dining area here and a refrigerator that is one full unit. There is a nice bright kitchen area with all of the conveniences. I love the design. Also, the shower and the bathroom have separate entrances, which is different than the 24 Gemini KB. And in the bedroom, there are the twin beds that convert to a king, and the difference from the 24 KB is that there is a step up. And if you take a look at these anchors in the floor, this is for your dining tables, and it looks like there's a couple configurations for your setup. The generator is here, which is nice. Our generator is underneath the vehicle. Stairs that recline in and out. There's some storage here. Storage here.
So this one is the full.
And the storage here.
So this is, I do.
And what's a trip to the Hershey RV Show without us stopping in on General RV to say hello to our favorite RV sales professional, Basil Francis, out of Florida. All right, so this was my RV review debut. Hey, Matt and Andrea, if you ever need a stand-in, be sure and call me.
Hershey RV Show. We came, we saw, and I did not conquer. I came trying to purchase a AC unit heat pump, which I saw last year at the show. There was not a vendor out there. Gree specifically is what I was looking for a AC and heat pump unit, 15,000 BTUs. Didn't have that. Also tried to see if they may have had some 32-inch smart TVs, 12 volts. Didn't see anybody carrying that. All these things I did see online. When it came to the AC heat pump unit, it was only $100 more than last year, so I guess I'll be purchasing that online. The smart TVs, 32-inch, 12 volt, good prices. I saw good prices online too, so probably get those done too. And we're also looking for a Max Air fan. I did see 2 vendors there, but the prices were not as good as online. What they said, one thing they said that they were just selling current inventory that they had in stock, so they really weren't trying to do too many deals. So we came, we saw, didn't conquer. However, we did see some friends. As you'll see in the video, we ran into a few people, said hello, shared some stories. Looking forward to seeing them on the road. Next city, next time. Looking forward to it. Have a good day. Safe travels, everybody. That's what's happening.